channel. I'm your girl Prestige P. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. So today is Celebrity Tuesday, and as you can see from the title, I'll be doing Beyonce look that she rocked at Coachella, and she's a queen. She's a queen of all queen. And the hair is different. I don't have a hair similar to hers. And also, I just found a yellow shirt in my closet. I didn't even know that I had a yellow shirt, but I'm glad I found it. But this makeup is about Beyonce and everything Beyonce. Her makeup was so natural and flawless, and I hope that I did well. Like, I don't know. Let me know down below in the comment section. But pretty much, this tutorial will be about Beyonce rocking this nice, glossy, flawless makeup at Coachella. And yeah, I hope I did good. Like, I hope I did good. I hope I'm close to how she look. I don't know. But anyways, before we get started into this tutorial, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below right here, right now. And also turn on that bell because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Yes, I upload 3 days a week. So hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started in this tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm barefaced obviously, and right now this zit, I don't know what happened, but I had this pimple and I burst it last night, and it's just there. It's not going away, and I don't know why. But anyway guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to start with these two moisturizer right here. Well, this is a primer. I'm going to take this Ultra Pure Cream, and this is for dry skin because you guys know I have dry skin, and look at my face. You could see that my skin is very dry. And then I'm going to go in with this primer from Fenty. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it all the way into my face, right? This is what I start doing, and I think it's working for me. Like, it's working for me. Then I'm going to take my Fenty right here, and I'm kind of going to blend it in, just like that. And I have to put a lot of moisturizer on my face. So if you do have dry skin, you have to put a lot of moisturizer. Like, I don't care what nobody say. You got to put a lot of moisturizer. And then I'm going to rub it all the way in. Okay, so now that's all done. I normally let it sit onto my skin for like 5 minutes before I go with my foundation. So right now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my eyebrow. And I mean, this video is not really about the eyebrow, so I'm going to quickly go over this, and I'm just going to speed it up. Okay guys, so now that I line out my eyebrow, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my Handy Dandy MAC concealer in NW45, and this is what I always use just to shape up my eyebrow. And Beyonce eyebrow was very natural looking and snatch, but I need to clean up my eyebrow because I have very thick eyebrow. It doesn't look like it, but my eyebrow is very thick, but there's patches. So I definitely have to get my eyebrow real snatch and looking all great. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so now that I did my eyebrow and I put the concealer all the way down onto my eyelid, I'm gonna take this color right here, and this is from the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here just to set that concealer and also blend it all the way onto my eyelid and all over my eyes. And this is kind of like a transition color, but also just to set their concealer, because when you put on your eyeshadow, you do not want your concealer to move or to crease at all. So make sure that you do that after you conceal. And this is the second time I'm doing this video. I did it already and I didn't like the way how it came out, and I just went into the bathroom and just washed my face off, and I'm doing it again. Like, I am not a failure. I will keep going and going and going until I succeed. Like, I mean, me, in my book, there's no failure for me at all, honey. None. Okay? I'm going to keep on doing it until I until it looks good in my eyes. So yeah, this is my second time doing this video. Okay, so for the transition color, I'm gonna take the shade right here, and Beyonce didn't have much eyeshadow on, so I am gonna go very light with this color, but I just want a little, just a little teeny bit of color on my eyes. So I'm only gonna take it into the crease and a little bit over the crease, and it's just for the transition color, and I'm not gonna do it too harsh to make it show that much. So I'm only gonna do it just like that and just blend it out. Okay, so you see that it have a little tint of color. That's exactly what I'm going for. So for the last color, because I'm not putting too much color, I'm gonna take this shade right here, and this is called Zuri, if I'm not mistaken. It's like a golden color, and I'm gonna take my hands or my fingers, and I'm gonna take it just like that, and I'm gonna put it right on the lid. You see how pretty it is? Just like that. And afterwards, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it out, because you don't want the harsh line to show. Then I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner, and this is the Molly Mall Just Wing It eyeliner, and I'm not gonna do a wing, I'm only gonna do a line, so when I put on my lashes, the line, the band of the lashes does not show, so I'm only gonna make one line. So now I'm gonna take my mascara, and this is the Artistry Collection mascara, and I'm gonna take it and just do my lashes. Then I'm gonna go ahead off camera and do my lashes, and these little lashes I got from the beauty supply store. They're very, very natural. It doesn't look like you have on nothing at all, and with Beyonce makeup, her lashes look very, very, very natural. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put on these lashes off camera. Okay guys, so now that the eyes are, you know, 95% done, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet, and I haven't used this in a very long time, but I bought this from Sephora, and it's really good on my skin. It makes my skin look very natural, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender and just blend it out. And hopefully it covered this zit, because I mean, I don't know why this zit is on my face right now. I'm so annoyed, but this needs to go. Okay, so look how natural this looks. Very natural, and it feels so lightweight. Okay, so for the concealer, I'm going to go in with this NYX HD Studio Photo Finish Concealer, and I don't know, okay, this shade is CW08, and I don't want a bright like concealer underneath my eyes. I want it to look very, very, very natural. So this concealer kind of similar to my skin tone. Look at it. Like, you can't even see it. It kind of like blending in, and I'm not going to put too much. I'm just going to put a little bit, because under my eye is very dark. So I'm only going to put it right under the eyes, and then the bridge of my nose and my forehead. So now I'm going to go ahead and use that same beauty blender and blend it out. And you can see how very neutral and natural my makeup look already. And Beyonce always have her makeup looking flawless and not caked up and not so over dramatic, and that's what I'm going for. So that's the reason why I take a concealer shade that is like really close to my skin tone, just to put underneath my eyes. And this blends out very, very, very well. Okay, so afterwards I'm going to go in with this Patrick powder with MAC, and I'm not baking. I'm just going to go ahead and just pat it in. And I'm also going to put it to my smile line because I have crazy smile line, and that's where it crease up the most. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder, and this is in the shade NW45. And I'm going to take that and put it all over my face and also brush off that powder. So next I'm going to take this contour kit and I'm just going to contour. First of all, I'm not even going to contour. I'm going to bronze up my face. So I'm going to take this shade right here. It's the bronzer one, and I'm just going to bronze up my face because, I mean, come on. She doesn't have, you know, contour and all of that stuff on her face. It's just very natural. So I'm just going to go with the flow, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. So afterwards, I'm going to go in with my Revolution setting spray and just spray my face. And if you don't know, now you know, I drench my face. Like, I drench my face with setting spray. It feels so good. So good on my skin. I love it. I love to drench my face. Next, I'm going to go in with this highlighter right here. It's very golden. I'm only going to put a little bit, just like that. And just blend it out. Oh God, I think I put too much. Oh, hold up, hold up, hold up. Let me brush that off a little bit. Okay. Okay, I could breathe, I could breathe. I'm only gonna put a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this liner from Patrick Starr, and this one is called Mahogany, and I'm gonna go in with this one. This one is called Mama Star, and her lips was very, very natural. It kind of like she only have on a lip gloss, but you know, I just want to put on a little bit of color in my lips and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna line it just a little bit. We be all night. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Patrick Starr. I'm only gonna put it into the center. And then I'm just gonna go just like that. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my hair, put on my clothes, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit that bell. And yeah guys, I will definitely see you again in my next tutorial. Bye.